Buhay ko'y biglang nag-iba, kay saya ng bawat sandali, kailan may hindi pagpapalit.
Ikaw ang aking hiniling, sa habang buhay ay makapiling. Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaan? Aking minimithi ay ikaw lamang.
Ikaw ang aking pangarap, ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso ko ay iaalay, pagkat minamahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig,
Ikaw
ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking daigdig. Wala nang nanaisin pa, kung magpakailanman ay kasama ka. Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaan? Aking minimithi ay ikaw
mahal
lamang.
sa puso ko, ikaw lamang.
Ikaw lamang. Ikaw ang aking pangarap, ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso ko ay aalay, pagkat minamahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking daigdig. Wala nang nanaisin pa, kasama ka. Ikaw ang pangarap, ikaw ang aking,
ikaw ang aking pangarap.
There's been so many, you guys have a lot of overseas fans as well, especially from Asia, different continents. For you to receive a tweet from someone who's just not from the US, how does that feel like? Just to know that your fan is like, your show is recognized worldwide.
But I love it, and I don't even mind when they don't write it in English. I love it. I think it's special, and it's sweet that people feel like they want to reach out and say hello.
Do you like to pull out the Google Translator and see what they're actually saying?
Sometimes I can understand it. Sometimes I have to pull it out, and sometimes I'm able to respond, and it's nice. I mean, the world's a big place, so to be able to reach that many people from different parts of the world is it's an honor.